In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from PancakeSwap to Binance. So this is a step-by-step action plan on how to do this. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your wallet, so your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then you need to connect it to PancakeSwap. So it's very easy to go to MetaMask or Trust wallet, and you basically just need to connect those two in order to withdraw money from PancakeSwap to Binance. So then go to PancakeSwap, and then you need to choose the token that you want to withdraw. So for example, Ethereum or XRP. This depends on the amount of fees and of course what coin you want to withdraw. If needed, you can swap your token for BNB or another token supported by Binance. So BNB, which is the coin from Binance, is always a good choice if you want to withdraw to Binance. Alright, then you need to go to your Binance account and then click deposit. And now you will see, now you need to select actually, BNB for example as your deposit currency, and then you need to copy the deposit address. In this case it is BNB, but this can of course also be Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, whatever you are withdrawing. Then return to your wallet, so your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then paste the Binance deposit address over there, and then you need to select the amount you need to send. So first of all, I want to say it is very important that you know that you fill in the right address. If sometimes hackers change this deposit address, so be very sure this is the same address as you copy, and also check it with a few dollars or a few cents even, to really check if to basically double check if the money will be sent to your address. So do not send, for example, $10,000 or 10,000 dollars in Bitcoin right away, and without first checking if it actually comes to your address. So first check it with a few dollars. If that is okay, then you can send the other maybe bigger amount, right? And then ensure you're using the right smart chain, so the Binance smart chain BAP20, which is basically a network for the transfer. And then you need to confirm the transaction and wait for the BNB to appear in your Binance account. Now you can always check if your transaction is on its way. You can do this by going to a blockchain scanner, and then you can fill in the transaction ID, and then you can see the status of your transaction. So that is basically it. It is very simple, but you need to be very careful with this. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.